Okay, so today I have an unboxing of another shotgun. This one is very unique. I think I'll just open it up and show you exactly what I mean. I didn't even know that this type of shotgun existed until a friend of mine brought it to my attention, and as soon as I saw it, I just thought, oh my gosh, that is amazing and I need to have it. I think we've all had those moments when you see a new shotgun, new hunting rifle, optics, if you're anything like me, especially with optics. So wait until you see this. All right. Well, it's a relatively small case, but that's because it's not completely assembled yet. So let's take a look. There we go. Presenting to you the unboxing of the Chiappa Triple Crown Triple Barrel Shotgun. Oh wow. Looks like this case took a little ding at some point. Interesting down here too. Well, that's why it's good that a lot of manufacturers will send a firearm in a case like this, not just the cardboard like I've seen some people do. So this is Chiappa Firearms from Italy. I believe they produce quite a few of their shotguns in Turkey. So there are two. There's a Triple Crown and there's a Triple Threat. So the Triple Threat is the shorter version. I think it's about 18-inch barrel, and that is kind of like a coach gun, which has a lot of pretty unique features. Like this is a brass section right here in the stock, and you can actually remove the pad here, and you can take this off, and essentially you have kind of like a pistol grip, short barrel, but I think it still meets the overall length requirement. This is the one that I have, the Triple Crown. It is a 20 gauge, 26 inch. So really curious to see. Main thing I'm looking at with everything, you know, is weight. Okay, and then it looks like we have a couple of different chokes here. So they're threaded, so you can get really serious about your shooting here. So first, we have this section. It's pretty nice. Pretty impressed actually. The wood feels really good. It's got a single trigger, so it is triple barrel, you can see there. But 3 triggers would simply be too much. So it's a mechanical trigger. There's one. Safety here. Open it, close it there. And yeah, now let's take this part out. Okay, doesn't look too unusual at that point, but then bam, that's pretty cool. And I believe this fires right, left, top. That is cool. Wow, that is really neat. It is 3 barrels. It's a little heavy, but I think it's worth it to have that extra shot. I know I'm not the best shot in the world when it comes to shotguns. You may have seen some of my other hunting videos. If you haven't, go ahead and take a look at those pheasant videos, but you'll see that I'm not the best shot in the world, but with the shotgun anyways. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty neat. So yeah, I guess there's no point to have the brass piece here to pull the back end off of this one. Really don't see a point. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how this thing fits together here. I'm not really good with this part either, with shotguns. Whoops. That did not. There we go. Did not engage the way I thought it should. All right, there you have it. Obviously it's fresh out of the box, but let's just go ahead and check here. You always make sure firearms obviously are unloaded. And I definitely want to dry fire it. It's very, very unique. So this is also not a automatic safety. Just realizing, so you close that. It doesn't automatically go on safe. So, feels good. Good weight, actually. Good weight distribution. Doesn't feel too heavy. Wow. That is pretty amazing. And fast too. So there's the trigger pull, not really sure what the break is on that. Not too concerned about it, honestly. But the length of pull is really, really short. Yeah, not a lot of slack and really short pull. I'm thinking I should do a video where I take this next to my Benelli M4 and with a shot timer and see which one can fire off 3 rounds faster. If that's something you would like to see, go ahead and hit the thumbs up below. Obviously love it when you guys subscribe. But yeah, what do you think about that video? Leave a comment below. The Triple Crown faces off against a Benelli M4 and see which one can put 3 rounds on target faster using a shot timer.
Ready, stand by.
That was awesome.